Understanding IELTS. Test format. Listening 30 minutes. You will listen to 4 recordings of native English speakers and then write your answers to a series of questions. Recording number 1. A conversation between 2 people set in an everyday social context. And recording number 2 will be a monologue set in an everyday social context, speech about local facilities. Recording number 3. A conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context. A university tutor and a student discussing an assignment. Recording 4. A monologue on an academic subject, university lecture. Assessors will be looking for evidence of your ability to understand the main ideas and detailed factual information, the opinions and attitudes of speakers, the purpose of an utterance, and evidence of your ability to follow the development of ideas. IELTS listening description. Paper format. There are 4 parts with 10 questions each. The questions are designed so that the answers appear in order they are heard in the audio. The first 2 parts deal with situations set in everyday social context. In part 1, there is a conversation between 2 speakers. For example, a conversation about travel arrangements. And in part 2, there is a monologue. For example, a speech about local facilities. The final 2 parts deal with situations set in educational and training contexts. In part 3, there is a conversation between 2 main speakers, for example, 2 university students in discussion, perhaps guided by a tutor. And in part 4, there is a monologue on an academic subject. The recordings are heard only once. They include a range of accents, including British, Australian, New Zealand, American, and Canadian. Timing approximately 30 minutes plus 10 minutes transfer time. Number of questions will be 40. Task type. A variety of question types are chosen from the following: multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram, labeling, form, note, table, flow chart, summary completion, sentence completion. Answering. Test takers write their answers on the question paper as they listen, and at the end of the test are given 10 minutes to transfer their answers to an answer sheet. Care should be taken when writing answers on the answer sheets, as poor spelling and grammar are penalized. Each question is worth 1 mark. IELTS listening in detail. Task type 1, multiple choice. Task type and format. In multiple choice tasks, there is a question followed by 3 possible answers, or the beginning of a sentence followed by 3 possible ways to complete the sentence. Test takers are required to choose the one correct answer, A, B, or C. Sometimes test takers are given a longer list of possible answers and told that they have to choose more than one. In this case, they should read the question carefully to check how many answers are required. Task focus. Multiple choice questions are used to test a wide range of skills. The test taker may be required to have a detailed understanding of specific points are an overall understanding of the main points of the listening test. Listening text and number of questions variable.